Alright, let's get started. First, let's go to the Wayne State Library homepage. Here, if you scroll down, you can find research guides. Now I'm a neuroscience major, so I'm gonna go here, look at the neuroscience guide. To begin with, you can see that our librarian is Ida Martinez. You can email her here and schedule an appointment here also. Here's our email contact, and here's her office if you do want to meet her in person. And you can also message her here. I'm moving on to databases. These are the databases that you can go to for neuroscience: PsycInfo, Web of Science, PubMed, Scopus, SciFinder, and Science Direct. Which database you use probably depends on what the topic you're researching. Each one of these databases has something that they do specialize in. Here's also a video on how to find out which database here is best for you. You can also, if you're specifically looking for e-journals, go to these pages to look for any articles or things of that sort. Each one of these are huge databases and will help you find what you're looking for. If you want to look for books, here are some videos on how to. Here's a video on finding books in catalogs. Here's a video of finding a book in a library by using call numbers. Also, in case you want a reference book, you can also take a look at any of these books. These seem to be textbooks. And finally, these are also websites and other resources that you can use. Like, these are specifically websites that you can get information about neuroscience in. These are typically websites available for undergraduates that are recommended to use. And these are also professional organizations that do research on neuroscience. I am dual majoring, so I'm also going to be taking a look at psychology. To do that, it's going to be the same process. From here, go to psychology. Now, psychology has 3 guides. I'm going to be taking a look at the main one. The librarian for psychology is Katrina Rowan. You can email her here. Here's her contact number. If you want to look into psychotherapy, here's the place to look. These are also featured resources that are used often. Here are videos that better help you with your better help you get quality resources. This one here is a video on how to find scholarly articles versus popular articles. This is what it means to peer review. And these are databases you can use to find useful resources on your paper if your topic is pertaining to psychology. These are also journals specifically that you can find. Any questions on how to find sources can be answered here or potentially by a librarian. If you want to find specific studies or databases, this is where you would go. These are e-references. These are